Welcome back. It's Cleve from Cleve Insights. Guys, gals, I am so sick and tired of getting cheap drones like this one and this one. All I want to do is be able to fly a drone and have a good time with it, have one that will have return to home, 4K, GPS connectivity, all the fancy stuff like the DJI. But I don't quite want to spend that much money on the DJI right now. So I got the next best drone that you can get for the money that'll work just fine for what I want to do. And maybe later I'll upgrade up to a DJI. But here it is. We're going to go through and unbox it. And I'll show you what it is. Of course, it came from Amazon, and I'll leave the link in the description. The tension builds. You know, I'm really excited about this because, you know, a lot of those drones that they advertise on the internet and stuff, they're always talking about military technology and all the stuff they can do. They be lying just to get your money. Like one of those drones I paid $39 for it at Ollie's. I know it was a piece of crap, but I've seen it advertised at other places for like $99 or $100 and stuff like that. That's absolutely crazy, guys. Now this drone can do all the stuff that the cheap $39 drone claimed to be able to do. And what was so disappointing about it was that cheap $39 drone that I got, the camera, they said it was adjustable. Yes, it's adjustable, but you got to manually adjust it. This thing's all done through the app. But anyway, let's get it out of the box and see what's actually in here. I'm excited. Here we go, guys. Woo! Ah. It's the WeFone WF31. Throw that aside. Let's go ahead and get it opened up. See what we got. Of course, you know it came from China. Everything does. Actually, the DJI is made in China too, so which would be my next step up. But I don't want to waste a lot of money right away because I want to be able to do some videos and be able to control the drone as a beginner. I just want to have everything going right. So let's get it all opened up. They got it sealed up here. They're supposed to have all of the nice functions. Let's see what we got. Oh snap! Look at that. That's a welcome surprise. It got came in a damn case. Hey, put that box aside. I didn't realize it came in a case for such a cheap drone. Well, I won't say cheap, I'll say inexpensive. Let's see what we got in here. User's manual. It's quite thick too. Let's put that aside. What's this? Looks like an accessory box. Let's see what's in here. Wow, this is exciting, guys. I tell you, I mean, I'm a grown man, but still, you gotta have something to be excited about in life, or won't be worth living, right? What we got in this box? The charger cable, USB charge. Charger cable. We got the one battery. Hopefully there's another battery inside the actual drone, because it's supposed to come with 2 batteries. We got here propellers with the screwdriver. That's cool. The charging cable for the batteries. I'll get those charged up right away. It's crazy. Oh snap. Look at this. Here's the actual drone. Wow. Look at that, guys. Fold out, snap. Oh gosh. Oh. It's got a heavy feel to it, which is, you know, pretty good. Oh, here's the other battery. It's got a stopper to protect the connectors in there. That's cool. I need to get these batteries charged up so we can get this first flight and let you guys see what it does. Just a 4K HD camera. Let's go ahead and peel this off now because I always forget to peel this kind of stuff off. Put that out of the way. Man. Oh, it's got the belly sensor or camera, whatever. That's nice. It's supposed to hover right above and follow along and all that good stuff. We'll see. Put that aside for now. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. Pushing. Okay. Here's the actual controller. I like it. It's pretty simple. You're supposed to be able to hook it up to your cell phone as well somehow. I probably need to read the instructions before I crap something out. Okay, as you can see, guys, everything's in there. It's going to be exciting. I can't wait to get this first flight in. We'll see what happens on this first flight. So guys, look, don't forget to follow me along for my next video where I'm actually going to have this thing charged up and I'm going to fly it and give my honest review of how this thing actually works and if it's working for me as a beginner pilot. This is a great upgrade from crap like this. It's crazy. It's false advertisement. Look at this crap compared to this. It's nice. So, with that being said, guys, take care of yourselves. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Out here.